This is my second box of this stuff. 13-14 Ultimate Collection Hockey. Love hockey products from Upper Deck. A lot of people don't like them. To me, they make the best stuff. I think you get 4 cards in this. You get a base card that's numbered, and you get a rookie, and you get 2 hits usually. I think there's an easy way to open these. I always have trouble. Oh yeah, pull on the U. Okay, it's intact. The rookie is that's the veteran, Ron Francis, 499, Hartford Whalers. The rookie is Dylan McElrath. I think he's defenseman. And that's awesome, wow. John Tavares signature masterpieces. That's a thick one too. I don't think it's numbered, but it's really cool looking. It's like a canvas painting or something. And gold ink on card as well. And Adam Larson Ultimate Signatures, that's also on card. I think all the cards in this are. So that was a great pack.